my name is Natalie, aka SM.GLAMBEAUTY, and welcome to my channel. If you're new, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and if you're not new, then welcome back. I really do appreciate you guys being here and watching me and supporting me. So for today's video, I'll be doing the April Ipsy box unboxing. I'm actually pretty impressed on how fast this box came. I still haven't received my BoxyCharm, but they already sent an email saying that, you know, shipping is gonna take a minute because of the whole situation. I'm okay with that, but since I got the Ipsy box today, I decided to do an unboxing with you guys. And Ipsy is a makeup subscription box. It's kind of like BoxyCharm. It's $25 and you get like 5 products, and they're full-size products. So yeah, by the way, guys, I want to thank you guys so much. You guys, if you have me on social media, you're probably tired of me thanking you guys, but I want to say thank you so much. I got 100 subscribers, and I don't want to get emotional and I know it's only 100 subscribers, but the fact that I am at where I'm at is just crazy to me, because I never thought that I would, you know, I never thought that I would be here. I know that before I was going through some stuff and I wasn't posting as much, but like, I'm so proud of myself for doing what I'm doing and being committed to what I'm doing. You guys have no idea. Like, I'm just so thankful and so grateful, and I can't wait to continue and grow. And yeah, so I really want to say thank you to all of you guys, and yeah, thanks. If you guys are interested on what I got this month, then just keep on watching. We're gonna get started on what I have in this month's Ipsy box. So I did my eyes, or half of my eyes, because there was no like eyeshadow palette. So I just went ahead and did my eyes. I used the So Jaded Kathleen Lights and ColourPop collaboration, and I love this palette. I reviewed it before, and I also gave one away. Like, I did a giveaway. Actually, one of my subscribers, the one who won my giveaway, she actually hit me up and she was like, you know, I played with the So Jaded palette that I won in your giveaway, and that meant so much to me. I don't know, like, I love that. I love that. So she actually inspired me to come back and play with this palette. So the first thing in the box, besides the insert card, is this. This is the SHAINA B Cosmetics Mini Miami Blush and Highlight Palette, which I like. It looks like this. And I'm gonna insert some clips of me using the products from this box. I did use it on my face, and I'm impressed. The blush is very pigmented. Like, at first when I swatched it, it wasn't as pigmented as I thought, but then when I used it with a brush, you guys can see that it packs some color. And then the highlight is not that bad. Like, I kind of like highlights like this, so I'm impressed. The other two shades, they're really like shimmery, and I'm not sure if I'm gonna use this as a blush. I mean, I might use this as like a pinky highlight, but I'm not sure if I'm gonna use this as a blush. We'll see. But yeah, I really do like this palette. And guys, remember when I did my haul video and I purchased the Pac-Man blush palette? And I was so excited, and I dropped it in my recent video, and this is all I have left. All the shimmery ones that I was like, they're gone. Only the matte one stayed. Guys, story of my life. So the next thing in the box is this Content Nail Lacquer set. This retails for $30. That's really expensive for just 2 nail polishes. I'm not used to paying that much for nail polish, if you can tell. These are the colors. That's cute. I don't think I'm gonna open it or use it. I'm gonna have it on the side to put into a giveaway. So yeah, and I hope you guys don't mind. I kind of ripped the top a little bit. like right here, I don't know, but sorry about that. Okay, so the next thing in the box that I did use is this tarteist double take eyeliner in black, and I kind of like this. At first it was a little too thick, like I did a thick eyeliner, and you can't tell with this eyeshadow, but I really did a thick eyeliner. But I don't mind it, it's not bad, and this retails for $24. The next thing in, oh my gosh, yo, the next thing in the box is this CÉLA Cream Rose, the very best cream rose lotion. And I'm also not going to open this, but this retails for $39. That's a lot for $39 for this. I'm also gonna place this in the giveaway because I know I don't need any more lotion and somebody else can benefit from that. Okay, the next thing in the box is this CIATÉ London Triple Shot XXL mascara in black, and I also did use this, and I actually like this mascara. You can't tell because again the eyeshadow that I'm wearing, but I'm living for this mascara. I like it. It's very good. This mascara retails for $22. Last but not least is this little makeup bag. It's cute. So this is not really my style. I'm gonna place this in the giveaway as well, so hopefully someone could get some use out of it because I probably won't use it. This comes with Ipsy, so yeah, it's technically free. So yeah guys, that completes this video. I feel like it went by pretty fast. There wasn't that much stuff in the box, or at least not as much stuff that I could play with. The items that I won't be using, I'm going to save for a giveaway. Like, I'm gonna start accumulating products here and there. The next goal that I'm trying to hit is 500 subscribers. So once I hit that 500 subscribers, I'm gonna do a giveaway, and all the stuff that I accumulated I'm gonna put in that giveaway. I'll probably purchase like more palettes, brushes and stuff like that, and just, you know, put it to the side so that way you guys can win some really good stuff. That completes this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Yo, pero like, I'm living for this look. I was supposed to take pictures, but I pressed the video.